Hello and welcome back to AB in Focus. Today we turn our minds to the vibrant landscape of retail investing, and helping break down the latest trends in retail investing, we have Hisham Mansour, the founder and managing director of CFI Financial Group. Hisham, thank you for joining me and welcome to the show.
Thank you for hosting me, Matthew.
All right, Hisham, first question for you here today. I've seen a lot of your branding in Dubai and in the UAE. I'd like to ask you how you've built your success so far.
Okay. Well, first of all, CFI is a brand that has been in the making for 24 plus years. The company was established by my partner, Eduardo Fakhouri, in Lebanon in 1998. CFI became a huge success in Lebanon and was the leading broker there before I joined, actually. So I joined in 2015. Before that, I was the group CEO and managing director of MIG Bank in Switzerland. MIG was also in the online trading business. We had clients from all around the world, basically. And we had offices in Lausanne, in Zurich, in London, and Hong Kong. End of 2013, beginning of 2014, we merged with another Swiss bank. And from then, thinking what I wanted to do next, Eduardo approached me and told me that CFI is very successful in Lebanon, but we want to take it globally. Why don't we join forces together? And with your knowledge and experience as well, we can take CFI to be a global company. So this is what we did, and in 2015 we established CFI Financial Group Holding, and we started expanding CFI. So from Lebanon, today we have offices around the world.
A busy life, I imagine.
Yeah.
So let's turn our minds a little bit to the future. What kind of plans does CFI have for the future, and where do you see yourselves going?
Okay, well, today we are one of the largest brokers in MENA, if not the largest. Our objective is to continue to expand, and we're looking at new places such as Africa and LATAM. We also plan to continue to expand in the MENA region, of course. This is one focus on the geography. Other than that, we plan, of course, to continue to improve our services and our platform, our products that we offer. This is always an ongoing thing for us. That's the plan, basically.
So, a holistic approach, it sounds like.
Totally realistic, yeah.
So, I mean, you've had, as you pointed out, I think there about 25 years plus experience in the industry, an industry which I think has gone through a few ups and downs over the course of time. How would you describe the general trajectory in retail investing? How have things changed?
Of course, the industry has changed a lot and has improved a lot, especially with the technology that helped accelerate things and let's say, expand the access. So before it used to be big investors and institutional investors who are able to access these markets. Today, anyone with any amount can start trading and investing very easily. You can open an account and trade in minutes. You can access with us from one platform 15,000 plus products from 22 global markets. So basically, anything you can think about is probably there on the platform.
As you pointed out there, I think investing was often considered the purview of only the rich.
Yeah.
Would you say that now investing can really be for anybody?
Yeah, anyone can start trading with any amount. Of course, it's important that the person understands what he's going into. And in that, we provide many webinars to clients. We provide daily analysis of the markets as well. And this is all in an effort, because we know that many people are just starting now to get into investing. So it's really important that they know what they're getting into, understanding the opportunities, but also the risks of investing. It's really important.
This democratization, I suppose, of access to investing, is that where you guys at CFI put some of your focus? And if that's the case, is it on educating investors on what it is that they need to do and how they can be interested?
Yes, totally. For us as CFI, our vision is to be the brand for all things investing and trading. I've talked to you about our geographical expansion plan and so on. This is in line with our vision and what we want to achieve. We want to remove all the hurdles for investing for our clients and make it as easy and convenient as possible for them. We focus a lot on offering the best trading experience as well, whether it is in terms of technology, account opening, but also the most important factors to trading, such as execution, speed, best price execution, competitive spreads and commissions. And these are some of the main reasons why the clients choose us over the others.
There's a phrase that I've often heard repeated to me, and it's not solely confined to retail investing, but to many industries at the moment. And it's this conversation around frictionless access.
Yeah.
Would you say that you have reduced the friction for your investors and opened the door?
Definitely.
All right, let's turn the clock back slightly on this conversation. Earlier, I know you were talking about your experience at MIG Bank in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Talk to me about how that experience, especially at a bank in Switzerland, compares to CFI and your operations here.
The basics for running any successful business are the same. And of course, the lessons that I took with me from MIG Bank, they are used every day, of course, at CFI. So the basics for any success is that first you need to have a really unique and superior product or service that adds value to your clients. This is key, so as you succeed and you are seen as a better brand than your competitors. This is our daily work at CFI. We are very customer-centric. We look at what the customers needs, any frictions, anything that we can help to make it better or provide more competitive conditions, better execution, more products, etc. This is what we do on a daily basis. So this is the key for success. Now, to achieve this success, of course, you need all the basics. You need to have, the capital, the company, the regulation. Especially in our business, you have to be a regulated business. But most of all, you need the right people. And this is where we give a lot of focus. We choose to have only the best people in this industry, and we put a lot of efforts into making CFI a place where talents and smart people can excel and give their best.
This question of talent, I think, is a particularly interesting one. I know it's something that businesses in this part of the world have sometimes struggled with. Mm-hmm. Do you think that talent and the attractiveness of, for instance, Dubai or the UAE as a place to live and work are helping with that solve that equation?
Yeah, definitely. Today, our headquarters is in Dubai, actually. So let's say all the brains and making the product and developing the service for CFI is made here. Dubai has definitely succeeded in being an attractive place, not only to work, but also to build your family, have a life. People actually enjoy being in Dubai nowadays and want to stay in Dubai. They don't want to go back.
So, I mean, other than the talent side of the business, how does operating a financial services and an innovative financial services firm here in Dubai compare to your experience elsewhere in different parts of the world?
Definitely living in Dubai is like, I say it's like living in the future, It's a futuristic city. The vision of Dubai, it's motivating for anyone who lives here. And it's motivating for us as a business, to buy into the spirit of Dubai, definitely.
Turning our minds then to the future, and let's talk a little bit about future trends. What kind of things do you see happening in the future? What trends do you see coming up?
Well, since COVID has started, many things online has thrived, and we are one of these businesses. So many people looked more into investing and trading and became more even interested in this, and they saw how easy it is to open an account and start investing and trading. We expect this trend to continue. It's not it's not a temporary trend. We expect that this trend will continue, and we'll still have more and more people interested into trading, because today, trading and investing, it's like becoming part of daily routine for many people. So whether if you are a doctor or an engineer or whatever, many of them are also having trading, and they want to know, okay, what's going on in the market. They might have particular interest in particular companies, and they don't want just to watch it, they want to actually be in this. We expect this trend to continue. And, for us, always putting the customer at our center of attention, we want to continue to focus on whatever we can do for them to make their trading experience better, the conditions better, more products, etc.
It sounds like what you're saying, and I'm not going to put words in your mouth, but it's something along the lines of, we added all these investors and they learned about investing during COVID, and now they're not going away again. And now they're here to stay.
Yeah, I think this is a trend that will continue more and more, and yeah.
So, turning to our final topic then today, talk to me about how investors can go about into the online trading industry. What's the process and the pathways?
So it's today it's very simple. You can open an account online and deposit and start trading. What I would say is important for any trader is to educate himself, follow the webinars that we provide, open a demo account. You can trade with virtual money and experience trading as it is. You have to really understand what you're getting into before investing, because investing is serious. But today, with all the technology and all the information that you can access easily from your laptop, it's become a lot easier. So invest in educating yourself before you get into trading. It's really key. Once you're into trading, it's really key to control emotions. We see many people do many mistakes in trading because of emotions, whether it is greed or fear of missing out, or once they make some profit, they think they've understood it all, and it's not. You have to really make a plan for yourself and, understand what are your objectives in any trade you make, what's your take profit, stop loss, etc. It's really key to be a consistent trader and not to be driven by emotions into trading.
Well, I think that's an excellent point to end on there, with some excellent advice for all of our listeners. It just exists for Hisham, for me to thank you for joining us here today.
Thank you again, Matthew. Thank you for hosting me.